everybody, this is KK4RXT. I wanted to give you a quick video on the Xiegu G90 and connecting it to the computer for digital modes. I had bought the CE19 and had some difficulty connecting it, and I bought another cable from eBay and it gave me the same troublesome problems. If we look at WinLink first, WinLink just connects right up. It connected right up with the CE19, and it also connects right up with the cable I bought from eBay. And I'll put links to that down in the link below. But it was basically just going in to configure it. It recognized it. The cable I bought from eBay is just a single cable, plugs into the ACC port in the back and comes into a USB sound card I had bought for my Raspberry Pi. Everything seems to be working great. I can just start this right up, and I use Vara. I think Vara is an excellent modem program for this. And as you can see, it's just going right through. It's connecting right up. It has cat control on the radio. Everything seems to be working fine. So if I close this out, and we will go to, let's say, WSJTX, I found that it would not work. Same thing with JS8 call. Same settings as WinLink, but it just wouldn't work. So I found that if I use an intermediary software program like FL-Rig set up for the IC7100, that solved all my problems. And I still use the cable from eBay with the USB sound card, so now I have FL-Rig running in the background. I will open up WSJTX, and as that opens, go ahead and just open this up a little bit so you can see better. Everything seems to be working great. I have my waterfalls coming up. It's reading. It's a little bit hot right now. I don't use WSJX too much, and I'm not real familiar with it, but I wanted to have it working and configured so later on I could play with it. So if I come over here to the band selection and I select the say 30 meter band, it will automatically change the radio, and now we hear some stuff coming in. We'll let this sit, see what populates up for a second. But I had a lot of issues trying to get this to work with that other cable, trying to configure the rig as the ICOM 7100. Works great for WinLink and no issues, but it would just give me all kinds of problems. So as we see, we got stuff populating. I can also click here. We'll go ahead and enable transmit so you can see that it does transmit and go through without any issues. And now it's transmitting. You can see on the, I'll have the screen up. Everything is going through. We're almost finished. And now we're done. So that resolved my problems with WSJTX, is using the FL-Rig. So I'll go ahead and close this out. We don't need this anymore. And with that experimenting, as you see it release the radio, I have Ham Radio Deluxe that I purchased when I bought my 7300 and my 9700, and I can use this as an intermediary for connecting to software also. I'm going to turn the digital maker off here because we won't need that to start this. We'll connect up. So here's Ham Radio Deluxe. It also cat controls the radio. We'll go ahead and minimize this, and I'll pull up JS8 call. JS8 call. It'll connect in a second. There we go. And so now I'm connected to the radio. No, cat control, no issues with using Ham Radio Deluxe as my radio intermediary. Let's connect the cat, data packet, none of my settings, and if I go into the audio, I have the USB audio connected. So we'll click OK to that. Here's my waterfall. Let's go and we'll change this to 30 meters, see if we hear anything coming through, just so you can see how it's receiving. Not hear too much. Go 40 meters. Not hearing. So let me just go ahead and we will. Oh, here's a signal coming in. I will enable transmit. There we go. So everything's populating up. And I don't use JSA call. A friend of mine just showed this to me a few days ago, so I tried to get it to work, and that was the problems I were having, so I wanted to resolve my problems. I hope this resolves your problems if you're having any, getting the G90 connected to the different software programs. Again, I will put the link to the cable and the USB sound card that I use to make my configurations very simple. One cable coming out, a USB cable coming out of the head, that's the cable that came with the radio, and then one small cable coming out of the ACC port in the back, and that is it. I'm running off battery. It's kind of a rainy day here where I'm at, so I'm inside doing this recording, and I hope you guys have a spectacular day. And if this helped you, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe to this channel. Thank you.